many questions about our shower system and water system, so today's video is going to be about that, about how it's set up now and how we built everything. I'm going to show you all the steps, but for now I'll show you how the system looks and then I'll go through what we did. Okay, so we got 2 PVC pipes on either side. They're just regular plumbing pipes. You can get them anywhere that you can buy plumbing supplies. So this is the PVC pipe. We cut it, I'll show you the video of that, and we attached this Y and then added the cap on top on both sides. We also just got the glue that you use for PVC pipes. You have to get very specific because it's extra strong. It also smells terribly, but it works really well. And then Luis used these ropes to tie the PVC pipe to our custom roof rack. And this here is a little rubber that is actually from an old bicycle tire, which is where we got these connections here. It's from an old bicycle tire. You'll see in the videos of how things are made. So then we just attached it so that it doesn't slip, because this material is actually pretty slippery, so otherwise the rope would slip, so we use that. And basically we have this long hose. We got this flexible green hose because it looks nicer, it's easier to put away. It just looks like this. It's this one here. It's pretty long. I think it's about 3 or 4 meters. We just hook it up here on this little nook right there. It's really simple. It's actually, I think it's by Scotch. It's just a plastic hook. It works really well. We just needed something to hang it up so that when we're washing our hair or scrubbing, soap, we don't have to have it in our hands the whole time or put it on the ground. So it works really great. And then basically we just hang the shower curtain all the way around here. I'll show you the video of that as well. Have an attachment here, just flips open. This is just a regular hose attachment that you could have on a house or whatever, and then this little piece just pops off like that and attaches and then clicks back on again, and it can be on either side depending on which side has water, or we can keep it even, also depending on which side is in the sun, because I painted these PVC pipes black so that the sun can heat it up. Another thing that we learned, so when we originally attached the tube, it was even, and as you can see now, this part is higher than this part because we realized with the pressure, the air was coming on this side. The water was coming on this side, and the air was coming on this side. So it would seem like there wasn't any water left, but there was. It was just pushed all the way up there. So now that we've had it tilted, it seems to work better. So that's just something to consider, is to put it on a little bit of a tilt. So basically tying these ropes closer and these ones further away. So that's what we did. And now I'll show you how we built it. So stay tuned. tube looks. This is the lid. We put 2 of these plastic rings on because it helps with the pressure, because you have a pressurized shower. It's really important to have this pressure there, as well as we used this water tape around the edges to not let the water leak out. It was really important when we first put the system together. It did spray because of the pressure, so this helps with the water not coming out, and this helps keep the pressure in. There you go. Looks like that.
Vuelve a activarse para mantener en 12.
Wow. So now we're cutting up the pieces for our floor for our shower. So we have different types. We have this thick one for the base, and then these ones will be the boards for the floor piece. And so Luis is cutting all the pieces right now, making all the shapes, and then we're gonna build it together. Alright, before I have my shower, I'm going to show you how our shower system works. Shower system, got the curtain hung up. Here you can see the water hose is hung up here. This is our floor. But here I'm in my swimsuit, and so that's basically how we do it. Is we just have the shower here. We pull it off whenever we need to use it like so, and then hang it up in between, and then we'll put our shampoos and whatnot here. And especially when you're in warm weather, it's fantastic. And the best part is the skylight. So we basically have a skylight, so when you're showering, depending on what kind of day it is or where you are, you have beautiful sun in here, or at nighttime you have stars. It's so great. So it's a beautiful outdoor shower. We love it. can see the floor here.